Git, undo last commit. What does undo last commit mean? Undo last commit means reversing or modifying the most recent commit in your Git history. It means you want to remove the last commit, or change the commit message, or keep the changes but uncommit them, or completely discard the changes. Why it matters. Mistakes happen in commits. Wrong files may be committed. Bad messages confuse history. Broken code may be pushed. So undo last commit equals fixing recent mistake plus controlling Git history plus safer workflow. Why you might need to undo a commit. This usually happens when you committed too early, you forgot to add files, you committed wrong code, you used the wrong message, you committed to the wrong branch. Without undoing, crossmark bad history, crossmark broken builds, crossmark confusing commits, crossmark risky push, crossmark harder debugging. With proper undo, checkmark clean history, checkmark correct code, checkmark better messages, checkmark safer push, checkmark professional workflow. Typical situations where this is needed. Common scenarios. Committed debug code. Forgot to add config file. Typo in commit message. Accidental commit to main. Wrong feature included. Example. Fix bug commit, but code is wrong. Why? History is now wrong. Needs correction. Before pushing. Basic troubleshooting steps. First checks. Run git status. Check last commit with git log -1. Confirm if commit is pushed. Decide what you want to undo. Why? Avoids wrong command. Prevents data loss. Chooses correct method. Fix 1. Undo commit but keep changes. Soft reset. Use when you want to recommit properly. Result. Commit removed. Changes stay staged. Why? Fix commit message. Add missing files. Safe correction. Bad practice. Crossmark panic reset. Crossmark forget what changed. Good practice. Checkmark review files. Checkmark commit again clearly. Fix 2. Undo commit and unstage changes. Mixed reset. Use when you want to edit code again. Result. Commit removed. Changes stay in working directory. Why? Modify code. Retest. Then commit. Bad practice. Crossmark run without checking. Crossmark lose context. Good practice. Checkmark recheck logic. Checkmark recommit cleanly. Fix 3. Undo commit and delete changes. Hard reset. Use when commit is totally wrong. Result. Commit removed. Changes deleted. Why? Discards mistake. Restores old state. Clean rollback. Warning danger. Crossmark data loss possible. Good practice. Checkmark use only if sure. Checkmark never on pushed commits. Fix 4. Change commit message only. Amend. Use when only message is wrong. Result. Same commit. New message. Why? Cleaner history. No extra commit. Professional log. Bad practice. Crossmark multiple typo commits. Good practice. Checkmark amend before push. Checkmark clear message. Fix 5. Commit was already pushed. If already pushed, create new commit to fix. Or revert commit safely. Why? Shared history. Avoid breaking teammates. Safe correction. Bad practice. Crossmark force reset on shared branch. Good practice. Checkmark use revert. Checkmark communicate with team. Daily workflow to avoid bad commits. Safe workflow. Run git status before commit. Review diff. Write clear messages. Commit small changes. Don't rush commits. Why? Fewer mistakes. Clean history. Easier rollback. Common mistakes when undoing commits. Using hard reset blindly. Undoing pushed commits. Forgetting staged files. Not checking branch. Breaking shared history. Why? Data loss. Team conflict. Corrupted history. Naming and commit conventions. Good messages. Fix login validation. Add user profile API. Refactor payment service. Bad messages. Update. Fix. Final. Why? Easy tracking. Professional history. Easy debugging. How undoing commits affects teams. When done wrong, others lose commits. History breaks. Conflicts increase. Trust drops. When done right. Checkmark clean fixes. Checkmark stable repo. Checkmark predictable history. Checkmark better collaboration. Real life analogy. Undo last commit is like erasing the last sentence in a document. If not shared, you can erase freely. If already shared, you must correct it carefully. Commit equals saved paragraph. Undo equals erase or rewrite. In simple words, undo last commit means you made a mistake. You want to fix it. Fix equals remove commit. Fix code or message. Commit again properly. Best practices to use undo safely. Use. Checkmark undo before push. Checkmark small commits. Checkmark clear messages. Checkmark review before commit. Checkmark revert for shared branches. Avoid. Crossmark hard reset on main. Crossmark rewriting public history. Crossmark blind commands. Crossmark rushing. Undoing the last commit helps you correct mistakes before they cause problems. A good Git workflow. Checkmark fixes errors early. Checkmark keeps history clean. Checkmark protects teammates. Checkmark avoids panic. Checkmark builds trust.